Did you know that not all batteries are the same? Each storage technology has unique advantages and specific costs that make them ideal for certain projects. In this video, we'll explore the differences between lithium-ion batteries, NMC and LFP, redox flow batteries, and the emerging solid-state batteries. Stick around to find out which one is the best choice for your project. NMC nickel-manganese cobalt batteries offer high energy density, ideal for applications where space is limited, such as electric vehicles and residential projects. The cost can be between $130 to $150 per kilowatt hour in 2023, with projections to drop to $100 per kilowatt hour by 2025. The main advantage they have is that they are more compact and efficient for energy-intensive projects. The main limitation is the higher cost due to the use of cobalt.LFP lithium iron phosphate batteries. They are cheaper and thermally stable, perfect for large-scale BESS. Cost is between $100 to $120 per kilowatt hour in 2023, ideal for frequent cycling applications. The main advantage is that they have longer lifetime and lower thermal risks. The main limitation is that their energy density is lower compared to NMC. Redox flow batteries are ideal for large-scale storage in power grids and solar or wind power plants. The cost is between $350 to $500 per kilowatt hour in 2023, but their extended lifetime, more than 20 years, makes them cost-effective in the long term. Their main advantages are their high capacity for charge and discharge cycles without significant degradation, along with stability and storage capacity over time. The main limitation is their high initial cost and larger space required for installation. The main application is in projects where the useful life has to be prolonged and stability is a priority. Solid-state batteries are an emerging technology that promises higher energy densities and greater safety. Their cost is at over $400 per kilowatt hour in 2023, but with projections of reduction to $100 to $150 per kilowatt hour by 2030, the main advantages are their higher thermal stability and fire safety, along with being ideal for high-density applications such as electric vehicles. The main limitation is their high costs and mass production challenges. Going forward, they are expected to be competitive in stationary projects and advanced mobility. If we make a quick comparison, NMC, high density, higher cost. LFP, economical and stable. Flow, high initial cost, excellent for large-scale projects. Solid state, innovative and promising but still expensive. Some of my recommendations are: for large-scale projects, consider LFPs or flow batteries for their stability and lower long-term cost. For residential applications or mobility, opt for NMC or wait for the arrival of solid state. If you need help selecting the best battery technology for your projects, contact me on LinkedIn. Let's make your ideas a sustainable reality. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and keep learning about BESS systems.